Cooking this Igbotic egusi soup, mostly prepared in traditional weddings or ceremonies, brought back memories, good old memories. This soup is mostly prepared in the eastern parts of Nigeria by the Igbos. If you want to see how I make this soup, hey, let's start cooking. You're welcome to Benny's Kitchen. So here are the ingredients I'll be using to prepare this soup. The full list of ingredients will be listed in the description box below. So I will just start by steaming the meat, towel, stockfish and dried fish. And I'm just going to add some chopped onions, seasoning cubes and salt. And you know the usual way, I'm just going to steam this for some minutes before adding some water to it to cook fully. And I welcome you back to my channel officially. If you're new to this channel, hey, a big welcome and a big embrace. Please do consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much, so we can grow this family together. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are the best, the very best and the bestest. If there's any word more than best, yes, you guys, that's what you guys are. I love you all. Big hugs. Thank you very much for always supporting me. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you very much. Yep, so now I'm just going to add some water to the meat and cover and allow to cook till it's very tender. The meat is tender at this point, so I'm just going to add some water to it, and after which I'm going to add some dried fish, crayfish, pepper, seasoning cube. You test for salt, and if soup needs more salt, you can add some more to it according to your taste. Now I'm going to dissolve the achi with some oil. This way it's going to be lump free. Like by the time you put the achi in the soup, it's not going to form lumps. There's nothing that is going to make it form lumps. You can mix this with some water, but I love mixing mine with oil. Yeah, so after mixing this, as you can see, there's no lumps, it's just free and it's just smooth. I'm just going to pour this into the pot, and after which I'm just going to add in my egusi into the soup. So after introducing the egusi into the soup, I'm just going to give this a stir, and any lump I find, I'm just going to use the back of my spoon to rub it against the pot. That way it's just going to dissolve automatically. I don't want to see any lump, like any lumpy egusi in this soup. So yeah, so the soup is still is a bit thick after adding my thickener, which is the achi. So I'm going to add in some water to it to lighten that up, and as time goes on, I'll keep on adding water as it boils, because I don't want this soup to be very thick. I just want it to be a bit light, because the cooler this soup becomes, the thicker it gets, you know. See, this soup is mostly prepared for traditional weddings or any traditional ceremony in the eastern parts of Nigeria. If you want to enjoy this soup or the local way, please just go to any canopy they wrote Umuada or Mona. I hope they won't come for me. Yes, the way they prepare their own, specially they'll use that big stockfish head, and that's a catfish, dried catfish. They'll just leave it in large lumps like that, and they'll just be sharing the thing as they are scooping it for you. See, this soup is so tasty. Like, if you don't eat egusi soup, how about try it this way, and you'll say thank you. Like, you will thank me later. Yes, and once you see the oil floating this way, you know the soup is ready. So I'll go in now to add in my Uziza leaves. Actually, these leaves are dry. We can't get fresh leaves over here where I'm based. So I'm just going to add some dried Uziza leaves and some dried Ukazi leaves. I've already soaked them and they're soft enough, so I'm just going to add that into the soup now and give it a good mix. Yeah, so you can use bitter leaf for this soup, but the typical local way, like in my place, is with Ukazi. Yeah, it's being prepared with Ukazi. And anytime I cook this soup, I remember my mom's late elder sister. Like whenever she wants to welcome a very important guest, like anytime we go back to the village, we travel to the village and we are visiting her, this is the soup she usually prepares for us. And I think that's why I fell in love with this soup, because the way she prepares it, oh my goodness, it's so tasty. So I've been cooking this soup for like 2 minutes after adding the Ukazi, because it's actually hard and I've soaked the Ukazi anyways. So yeah, this soup is ready now. If to say fufu day, that is if there is fufu here, fufu from cassava, oh my god, that would have been the perfect combo. That fufu that has smell. It's the best combo to go with this soup. See, don't come and call me local. I beg, who know local? Yes, fufu that has smell when you eat it with this soup. And download it with chilled water. Yes, a banner. So as I not get fufu now, I go use semo chop my own. Food is ready. Come and join me. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, share, and please subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video, and please stay safe. I love you all. Bye.